Welcome to the Eudaimonia Bikes DAM and PIM demonstration. Eudaimonia Bikes is a fictitious bicycle company used to illustrate the power of managing digital assets and product information from a central location. This demo covers the full suite of integrated applications including portals, assets, entries, workflow, templates, and insights. Portals provides a way to easily share branded content. Portals can be created for many purposes including campaigns, product launches, media kits, training materials, and brand guidelines. They're a flexible and attractive way to share content with internal and external stakeholders in a branded environment. They can be public, password protected, or require a user login. They can be shared as a standalone experience or embedded in a web page or app. The experience for an end user is intuitive and makes it easy to get frequently used assets like logos, colors, and photography on demand. The experience for an admin is equally intuitive. There's no coding involved in the design process. Quickly add sections, columns, banners, buttons, and text. The ease of use, flexibility, and unlimited number of portals are major product differentiators. Assets is the flagship application and the core functionality for managing your digital assets. The dashboard is a customizable landing page that can include links to brand guidelines, portals, common searches, and training materials. Dashboards can be created for different groups of users featuring different brands, campaigns, and messaging. While there are thousands of features and settings, let's walk through the most common functions used by marketers, creatives, and managers every day. Permissioned users can upload assets and metadata. Upload profiles make it easy to tag and organize common assets quickly. Either browse or drag and drop files. Files will be tagged and organized based on the upload profile settings. Additional edits can always be made. You can also automate imports via FTP. Follow preset file naming conventions. Map metadata fields based on file names, read and write XMP and IPTC metadata, and add automatic tags using Clarify, our primary AI technology. You can also perform edits in bulk sets to ease the migration of hundreds of thousands of assets. Searching is intuitive. Type terms in the quick search or use curated searches like collections and categories. Use the advanced search to set very specific parameters and to save your search. From the search results page, use the filters to narrow your results. View the asset digest to see related assets by look or by metadata, the asset info, and if this asset is used in other applications. To download the file, first select your intended use and agree to the EULA. Download the original file or choose from available web-friendly formats or custom formats configured by your admin. Users choose what they need and Widen converts to different formats on the fly. If you're not looking to download, there are a couple options for sharing. Share links allow you to copy and paste a link into a chat or email, with the option to view only or download. Embed codes allow you to embed the asset in a web page, email, or app. You can customize the embed size, position, format, and quality. Finally, you can batch select assets and share them via email or as a collection. Quick Insights shows how an asset is being used, including downloads, views, shares, and intended use. The Asset Details page gives permissioned users access to more functions, like cropping, which allows you to create multiple views of an asset, manage versions, edit metadata and add new metadata values, attach documents like talent release forms and video scripts, add closed caption files to videos, set release and expiration dates to remove outdated assets from view, and view asset history for a complete audit trail of changes. Entries is the heart of the PIM solution. It allows product marketers and e-commerce teams to manage and distribute all product content, including data, marketing copy, and assets, from one central location. In Entries, you import product data such as rich marketing copy and technical details, and combine it with assets such as product images, brochures, and videos. You can manually upload a spreadsheet with data exported from another system, or schedule recurring imports via FTP. To manage and prepare products for exporting, search for products, use categories, or use search filters. The Explorer product shows 3 variants. Variants link similar SKUs with minor variations like color or size to a parent product listing. Permissioned users can click on the SKU to view and edit attribute details, variants, and history. Product information includes fields with rich text descriptions, MSRP, and status. Product assets include logos, brochures, images, and videos. Technical specifications include product data like material, size, and weight. If data was populated via an import from another system, the lock icon means the data is protected and not editable in Entries. Now your products are ready to be exported to your web, e-commerce, and print channels. We partner with Products Up to syndicate content to thousands of channels. You can see a preview of all the data to be delivered and make adjustments if necessary. Workflow allows you to manage and automate proofing workflows across internal departments and agency partners, minimizing error risk and manual processes and accelerating time to market. Request forms are an easy way to request new creative deliverables and share pertinent information with the creative team. My Tasks offers a to-do list for designers and reviewers. Project Details provides an overview of the project timeline, deliverables, and supporting files. Clicking into a deliverable shows review stage information and the list of reviewers, including their role. After a proof is approved, Workflow automates routing the proof to the next stage of reviewers if there are multiple stages. Saved Workflows allows you to create common routing sequences for recurring project types. When reviewing proofs, you can add comments, @messages, and compare versions for images, multi-page PDFs, and video. Designers upload new versions based on reviewers' feedback until final approval is given. After final approval, the project manager closes the project and can add the final asset to the asset library for ongoing management and distribution. Templates enables the on-demand creation of web-to-print collateral using centralized digital assets. Instead of designers fielding incessant requests for production-level deliverables like business cards, banner graphics, and brochures, they can create beautiful on-brand templates with customizable areas in InDesign, and then create a template that allows hundreds of thousands of end users to quickly customize those designs on demand. They can swap out approved images and logos and update text before downloading the finished product or sending it to a printer. Templates frees up designers' time, empowers end users, and guarantees brand consistency. Insights presents analytics to monitor both content and system utilization. To monitor content performance, select dashboards like Asset Engagement to see which assets are the most popular and understand how and where your content is being used. To keep an eye on system usage, select dashboards like User Engagement and Site ROI Metrics to build management reports with key performance indicators. Admins can use the provided dashboards or create their own with customized charts to monitor specific campaigns or assets. Admin Tools also allows you to manage product information and assets at an enterprise level. Governance is controlled by managing assets between groups of assets called asset groups and groups of users called roles. Roles can be created and customized for all the different groups of users in your system to ensure only the right people have access to the right information. Asset groups can also be created and customized for all the different groups of assets in your system. The granularity of access levels between asset groups and roles ensures even the largest systems can guarantee control over who sees what, when, and how. Metadata is the key to the entire system. Admins can customize and manage multiple metadata schemas, types, and dependencies for different asset types, and control how the metadata is utilized throughout the system. This level of customization is unparalleled and worthy of its own video. Upload profiles can be created to automate the tagging and organization of commonly uploaded asset types. Paths allow admins to automate email notifications based on the addition of new assets or products, or metadata value changes. When the system is running full steam, there is a lot going on, so the admin dashboard provides task lists to help admins stay on top of user and asset-related maintenance. Widen, an Acquia company.